Hi all, doing a real quick video on the MetaWash First Aid Eye Wash, and it's 4 ounces. And here it is here. And as you see here in the background, this is my homeschool first aid kit box. If something should happen and one of the little one's eyes gets burned or something should happen, guess what? I'm ready. It's always better to be safe than sorry, which is why I like what you see here. I have a lot of the first aid kit items. My goal, I want to get everything, all the first aid kit items. So if anything should happen, I can be able to take care of it at home and just come inside of my homeschool first aid kit box and I'm ready. And if it's more serious, I can be able to do what I need to do out of the box while I'm taking them to the hospital or whatever. But the key is I'm going to be ready. So anyway, this is the iWash here, and I wanted you to be able to see how this is going inside of my first aid kit box because again, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So inside of the box you go. Thank you so much for watching.